Welcome to a new online manual. In this video, we are going to show you how the visual aspect of the video scoreboard is modified through the images and videos that make up the backgrounds and animations that are shown. This video is based on version 6.12. In future versions this configuration can suffer slight changes. We recommend check the latest videos published on our channel in order to see if any update to this manual has been published. To access this configuration, go to the Configuration tab and to the Visual tab. In the upper part you can choose the skin that will be used. In summary, changing the skin changes the texts and images of some buttons to make the software friendly with each sport. In this case we are using a football skin. We have a specific video about this where we explain this in detail. If you have not seen it, we invite you to do so. The link appears on the screen. You can choose the language of the control panel, Spanish, English or Portuguese. Below we have all the images that make up the backgrounds, animations, and masks that will be displayed on the video scoreboard. It is recommended that all images are located inside the Applications folder system. Doing it, you can move the apps folders to a new location or to another computer without having to relink them. The background of the video scoreboard is composed for two images or videos: the background and the mask. In this example, the background is a blue video with a bubble effect on it. The mask is a transparent image that contains the shadow of the team shields, the golden icon of the tournament and the goal separation line. The other elements are located on the background and the mask: shields, time, results, etc. Let's see how you can change the background and the mask. As simple as clicking on it and choosing the new image or video. Apply the changes and appears the new background on the screen. Same for the mask. In a few seconds have changed the appearance of the video scoreboard. The rest of the images are changed in the same way. The background for the presentation of the teams. Two different ones, because you can assign a video with the team's anthem for the locals, and a video without music or other music for the visitors. In lineups as players' cards this background will be always active, and the anthem will be played while the players are displayed. The background of the countdowns. The background for messages to the public. The background of the Liniespa's list of names. For the player cards, system can set several backgrounds, depending if player is one on field, substitute or to show the MVP or injured player. Background for the coach. The background for referees. The background for the penalty shootout. The background of the statistics. The background for videos. We will show this when we talk about adverts. The 5 webcam masks. The match cover. The departure of the players to the field. Background for match events. The player event backgrounds, in this case the cards. The background for changes. The background for added time. The motivational video to the public. And the panic image. Time that the images should appear on the video scoreboard. Below are the scoring animations. For example, goals in the case of football, or baskets in the case of basketball. In some cases, such as friendly matches, or matches on a neutral field, you can be interested in showing a celebration video for both teams. Here you can set which ones must be showed. You can also choose if the player who has scored must be showed. To show the player, obviously, the selection of the scorer must be selected in the match configuration. If you only want to choose the scorer for statistics, but not to appears in the animation, you must uncheck this option. You can choose 2 animations for each team. The basic animation, and one that will appear with the player. Duration in seconds for these animations. The Validate Images buttons check the existence of all selected images or videos. This verification will be launched automatically when a configuration is loaded. Advertisements. At the top have the advert selection buttons. Just as we have seen with the backgrounds, by clicking on each one you can modify the image or video associated with each one. In the Skins video manual, we will show you how to change the icon and the text of the button associated with each advert. Also can indicate whether ads should play with sound or not during game time. In previews and breaks they will always be played with sound. Whether the ad should play full screen or scale to it. That is, if we have an ad with a different format than the video scoreboard format, we have two options: view the ad in full screen, in this case, video will be deformed in order to fill all the video scoreboard area, or keep the original format of the ad, occupying only a part of video scoreboard. The unoccupied space will be filled with the background image associated with the videos we showed before, in the General tab, in this example a black background. Loop mode, adverts will be played indefinitely until user decided to cancel. In the case of ads as an image, will be displayed during the time indicated here. Playlists. We can define 4, each one have a name and an associated folder. Launching one playlist, the system will display all the ads located inside the folder, ordered by file name. So far the visual configuration part. Together with the format configuration part, it is what gives the video scoreboard its visual appearance, and therefore, what allows you to make your video scoreboard unique. If you have any questions, please contact us.